Understanding market depth in Forex isn't just about looking at charts or following a trend line. It's about knowing why price moves the way it does and where the big players are placing their bets. If you want to level up your trading game, you need to go beyond the basics. So today, let's talk about the best tools for effective Forex market depth analysis and how to actually use them to get an edge. First off, what exactly is market depth? Simply put, it refers to the volume of buy and sell orders at different price levels in the market. The more data you can analyze about these orders, the better your understanding of market sentiment and potential reversals or breakouts. The first tool I recommend is a reliable depth of market (DOM) interface. While it's more common in futures and equities, some Forex brokers do provide DOM data. It shows you real-time bid and ask prices along with their respective volumes, giving insight into where liquidity is concentrated. If you see a stack of large sell orders sitting above current price, that might act like a ceiling. Conversely, a wall of buy orders can serve as a floor. Recognizing these levels can guide your entries and exits more precisely. Next up, order flow indicators. These are especially useful for traders who want to read the tape. Tools like footprint charts or volume profile indicators visualize where the bulk of transactions are happening. They help you determine if a breakout is backed by real volume or if it's likely a fake out. Platforms like NinjaTrader or Sierra Chart are great for this type of analysis, though they might have a bit of a learning curve. Then we have heat maps. Think of a heat map as a thermal image of the Forex market. It shows you where orders are clustering. Tools like Bookmap offer a visual way to see liquidity zones and potential absorption or spoofing activities. It's a little more advanced, but once you get used to it, it's like trading with night vision. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even with access to all this depth data, a lot of traders still struggle with timing. They know where something might happen, but not when. That's where something like the Apex Trend Indicator can complement your analysis. It's not a market depth tool by definition, but it acts as the perfect partner. While market depth tells you where the battlefield is, Apex shows you when to strike. It gives you non-repainting entry and exit signals, trade direction alerts, and even the win rate of each potential trade. Combined with a solid understanding of order flow or DOM data, this becomes a deadly combo. Imagine spotting a large buy wall on your depth chart and then getting a confirmed buy signal from Apex with a success rate over 70%. That's confirmation on a whole new level. Another underrated tool is the volume-weighted average price VBOAP. It tells you the average price of a pair based on both volume and price action. Institutional traders often use VWAP as a benchmark, so when price is trading below VWAP, it's considered undervalued and vice versa. Use it to filter your trades or find mean reversion setups. Let's not forget sentiment indicators. Tools like the Commitment of Traders report or even retail sentiment gauges from brokers can offer insight into where retail traders are positioned. And as harsh as it sounds, retail often gets it wrong. If 90% of retail is long, you might want to look for short opportunities. The key to using these tools isn't about relying on just one. It's about blending them together like ingredients in a recipe. Use DOM to see liquidity, heat maps for visual confirmation, Apex Trend for timing, and sentiment to avoid the herd mentality. Ultimately, mastering market depth analysis is less about flashy indicators and more about context. The more context you have, the more confident you become. And when you pair raw data with a tool that actually interprets that data into actionable signals like the Apex Trend Indicator, you start trading with clarity instead of guesswork. If you're interested in checking out the Apex Trend Indicator, you can learn more at faxlimit.com. It's user-friendly, works on MetaTrader 4, and supports all pairs and timeframes. Whether you're trading E or USD or gold, this tool helps you stay one step ahead. Thanks for watching FX Limit. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what tools you use for market depth analysis. Until next time, trade smart and stay consistent.